Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 integer. A question arises in your mind, what is integers? So you can see here the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dash 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 is called integers. Okay, the natural number, these number are integers. It means that whole numbers with negative numbers is called integers. In integers, negative numbers, positive numbers with zero are included. Okay, so 0 is neither negative integers nor positive integers, and there is no largest integers and no smallest integers. There is no largest integers and no smallest integers. -1 is the largest negative integers, and smallest negative integer is not defined. Smallest positive integer is 1, and 1, 2, 3 is called positive integers, and -1, -2, -3 is called negative integers. We represent integers on the number lines. First we draw a line like this. Okay, and we take 0. In right hand we take 1, positive integers 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and in left side of the 0 is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. You can write. In this way you represent integers on the number lines. In integers, all positive numbers and the negative numbers with 0 are included. Okay, integers have no smallest numbers and no largest numbers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. -1 is the greatest negative integers, and 1 is the smallest positive integers. Clear? And the unintegers is greater than all those integers that lie on to its left on the number lines. All those integers who is greater on the every left integers. You can see here -3 is left to -2, so -2 is the greater than -3. Here you can see this is 3, this is 4. 4 is the right to 3, so 4 is the greater than 3. In these directions you move left, and in this direction you move right. Okay, if you move 4 unit right from 0, then where you reach 4 unit right. So from 0, 1 unit right, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. So you reached at 4. Suppose you reached 3 unit left from -2. So here this is -2, 3 unit left, where you reach 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. It means that after moving 3 unit left, you reach at -5. Okay, and now we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 and question number 9. Okay, question number 9 have, this is question number 9. Question 9 have, for the following statement write true, t or false. If statement is false, correct the statements. So here part A of question number 9 is that -8 is to the right of -10 on the number lines. Okay, minus 8 is to the right on the right of minus 10 on the number lines. So first we draw a line after this plot a number on the line, then it's become number lines, and we check where is the 8 minus 8 and where is the minus 10. So let's see. You can see this is a number line, this is line. We take here suppose 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9 minus 10. Okay, minus 11 you can say. So question is here, minus 8 is the right of minus 10 on the number line. So this is number line, here 10, here minus 8. So minus 8 is the right. So yes, minus 8 is the right in this way. This is right. Minus 8 is the right of minus 10 on the number line. So this statement is true. You can write this statement is true. Clear? This is true. Clear? Now B part of this statement is that minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Okay, on the number line. On the number line. On the number line. Clear? So here you can see minus 100. Okay, minus 100 is the right of minus 50 on the number lines. So you can see here minus 100 and minus 50. Minus 50 is greater than minus 100. Okay, you can observe here, if you compare both quantity, so minus 50 is greater than minus 100. Okay, so this is given, minus 100 is the minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. This is not possible because minus 50 is greater than minus 100. Okay, so this is false statement. You can write here false. This is false statement. So what is the true statement? Here the statement is that minus 100 is to the left of minus 50. Okay, on the number lines. Clear? Minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 on the number lines. Yeah, you can say we here write minus 50. Minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. Okay, so this is given statement is false. Right statement is that minus 50. You can write here. The right statement is that minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. On the number line. Clear? Minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. Now, C part, smallest negative integers is minus 1. C part is here. Smallest negative integers. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. So this is minus means the greatest negative integers, not is smallest negative integers. Okay, minus 1 is the greatest negative integers, not smallest negative integers. Okay, so this is a false. You can write here the largest negative integers is minus 1, not smallest negative integers. So this given statement is false. You can write false. So what is the correct statement? Correct statement is that the greatest, largest negative integer is minus 1. This is a true statement. Okay. In question number 9, question told us that for the following statements, write true for T or false for F, and if the statement is false, correct the statement. So this statement is false. So correct statement is this largest negative integers is minus 1. Okay, and here this is a given statement. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on the number line. So this is false statement. So what is correct statement? We correct here. Minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. This is clear. Now next question, next part of question number 9, you can say D part, is that minus 26 greater than minus 25. This is D part, this is given. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Clear? This is given. Minus 26 is the greater than minus 25. So this statement is true or false. So you can see here, if you draw a number line like this. Okay. Suppose this is number lines, and here 0, here 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, dash dash dash. You can see here minus 24, minus 25. This is minus 25, and this is minus 26. Okay. This is minus 25, 26. Okay. So you can see here 25 is right side of 26. It means that 25 minus 25 is greater than minus 26, because you can see here on the number lines minus 25 is right on minus 26. So you can say every right number is greater than every left number. So here on the number line, so you can see here on the number line 25 minus 25 is right of minus 26. So you can say minus 26 is the smaller than minus 25, or you can say minus 25 is greater than minus 26. So here the given statement is minus 26 is greater than minus 25. So this is a false statement. Okay, so you can write here false. You can write here this is a false statement. Okay, and what is the correct statement? The correct statement is here. Correct statement made is minus 26 is smaller than. You can write smaller than minus 25. Okay. This is a correct statement. Or also you can write this statement, you change the digit here. Here write minus 25 and here write minus 26. You can write minus 25 is the greater than minus 26. Both statements are right. This is also right. Minus 26 is smaller than minus 25, or you can say minus 25 is greater than minus 26. Okay, so I hope all of you understood such types statements related to integers. This is true or false. You are familiar on number line. If you draw the number line, you can solve every question related to true or false. Okay, now we are going to discuss next question, question number 10. Question 10 has draw number lines and answer the following. Question 10 has draw number line and answer the following. And the A part, which numbers will we reach? Which numbers will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? So let's see how to solve such type questions. Question number 10 have draw number lines and answer the following. A part of the question is that which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Okay, so first draw a number lines. Okay, so first we draw a number lines. Draw the number line. Okay, first we draw a number line like this. This is number line. Okay, we take here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Clear? So where you move? We move right on which number? Minus 2. We move right side of minus 2. How many numbers? How many units? Here given 4. 4 numbers means 4 units we move right of minus 2. Then which numbers we reach? So let's see. Move on the number lines of 4 units. So you can see this is minus 2. Here given minus 2. Of right. How many numbers? 4 numbers. Let's see. 1 number, after this 2 number, after this 3 number, after this 4 numbers. So where we reach, you can see this figure. After moving 4 units to the right of minus 2, we reach 2. Okay, you can see this figure. After moving 4 units, 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, where we reach 2. So you can write here at last, after moving here given 4 units, 4 numbers to the right of right of minus 2, we reach, where you reach, you can see number line and tell us where we reach. We reached at 2. Clear? This is number lines. We start from moving in right of minus 2 and we move 4 numbers, so we reach 2. Okay, so at last we can write after moving 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, we reached at 2. Okay, and the B part of this question number 10 is that which numbers will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? To the left of 1. So let's see where you reach after moving 5 numbers to the left of 1. This is the B part of question number 10. Which numbers will we reach if we move 5 numbers left of 1? So first we draw number lines. After this we check it where you reached after moving 5 numbers left of 1. So you can see this is the number line. Okay, first write here, draw the number line. Draw the number line. Okay, this is line. When you plot the number on this line, it's become number lines. Okay, so we'll move left. So we take here 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so here this is 1. We start move from 1. We are left or right. He given left how many numbers? 5 numbers. Okay, so we move 5 numbers left from 1. So 1, 2, 1 number, 2 numbers. This is 3 numbers. This is 4 numbers. This is 5 numbers. So we start from A1 to left 5 numbers and we reached -4. So you can write here after moving 5 numbers to the left, after moving 5 number to the left, of 1, we reached at where we reached -4. Clear? After moving 5 numbers from 1 to left, you can see here we reach at -1. This is 1. This is left direction. How many numbers we move? 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we start from 1 in left directions and move 5 numbers. We reach at 4. This question is given. Which numbers will we reach if we move 5 numbers left of 1? So this is 1 and 5 numbers left you move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach that -4. Clear? Now the next part of this question is that if we are at -8 on the number lines, in which direction should we move to reach -13? Okay, so first we draw first we draw the number lines, and what is our position? Our position is -8, and which direction we move to reach -13. Okay, so first we draw number lines. So this is the number lines and this is C part. This is a line. We start from here 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11. Okay, you can see. So question is that in which direction we move from -8 to reach -10. So this, you can see, this is a -10 and this is a -8. Okay, so on the number line you can see the minus 10 is left and minus 8. Okay, so we move in left direction 2 units from minus 8 to we reach minus 10. Okay, so for this we can write to reach minus to reach minus 10, so to reach minus 8 to minus 10, to reach minus 10 from minus 8 we have to move to move in left direction, directions. Okay, this is number line. You can see here minus 8 and here minus 10. We move to minus 8 to minus 10, so you can move in left direction. How many units? 2 units. Okay, next part of this question is that if you are at minus 6 on the number lines, in which direction should you move to reach minus 1? Okay, this is D part of question number 10. D part is that if we have at minus 6, where is our position? Our position is minus 6 here. Minus 6 is our position. Okay, on the number lines, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So we reach at minus 1 here. Okay, so you can see here in which direction we move. This is the left direction, this is right direction. So where you move, we move to right direction. Okay, so you can write here to reach minus 1 from minus 6 we need to move in right direction. To reach minus 1 from minus 6, here is our original position, we reach to minus 1. So in which direction we move? We move in right direction. So you can write here to reach minus 1 from minus 6 we have to move in the right direction. We have to move in right direction. Okay, this is clear. Now next question is that using the number lines write the integers which is 4 more than minus 2. Okay, so let's see. Next question is here, using the number line write the integers which is 4 more than minus 2 and 6 less than 1. So in case of more, like that 4 more than minus 2, this is more. In case of more, we move right direction, and in case of less, here this is less, we move in left direction from the given integers. Here 4 more than minus 2, so we move 4 unit right direction from minus 2, and here given 6 less than 1, so we move 6 unit in left direction from 1. So let's see. First draw number lines like this. Okay, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 4 more than minus 2, so here we start from 2 and move 4 unit right. Okay, so where you reach, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so you reach at 2. Clear? We reach at 2, so the required integer is 2. Okay, so you can write here we reach at 2 So required integers is 2. Clear? This is clear. And for this B part, this is the part A, 4 more than -2. So you move 4 unit right from -2. And next part is B, 6 less than 1. So for this we draw also a number line like this. This is B part. Let it 0, 1, and 2, and 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7 you can write. Okay. So here the question is given less than. It means that we move left side. If given more than, then we move right side, right direction. So from where? At 1. 1 from 1, so we move left direction in 6 units. So this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, and 6 unit. Okay. So where we reached? We reach at -5. So required integer is -5. According to this, in this question, using the number line, write the integer which is 6 less than -1. Okay. So we reach at -5. We move 6 less than 1. So we start from 1 and move 6 numbers in left direction. We reach at -5. So our required number is -5. Okay. So we reach at, you can write here, we reach at -5. Okay, we reach at -5. So the required integer is -5. So required integer is -5. So student, I hope all of you understood using number lines to write the integer like this, more 4 more than -2 or 6 less than 1. Okay. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.